Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to explore advanced punctuation techniques that will elevate your writing to a whole new level. Whether you're writing essays, narratives, or articles, mastering these punctuation marks will help you communicate more effectively and stylishly. Let's get into it. Let's start with the colon. While many of you know colons are used to introduce lists, they can also be used to introduce explanations or clarify statements. Think of the colon as a way to direct attention to what comes next. For example, there's only one thing left to do: celebrate. The part after the colon explains or emphasizes the idea introduced in the first part of the sentence. You can also use a colon before quotations, especially when the quotation explains or expands on a point you're making. Now, the semicolon. The semicolon is a powerful tool that links two closely related ideas without the need for a conjunction like and or but. This gives your writing a more sophisticated flow. For example, I wanted to go to the party. However, I had too much work to finish. Here, the semicolon connects two independent clauses that could stand alone as sentences, but they work better when linked. Semicolons are also used to separate items in a complex list where some items already contain commas. For example, we visited Paris, France, Berlin, Germany, and Rome, Italy. The dash, also known as an em dash, is used to add emphasis or additional information to a sentence. It's more dynamic than a comma, making it perfect for interrupting your own thought or adding a dramatic pause. For example, the concert was amazing, better than I ever expected. Here, the dash gives extra weight to the second part of the sentence. Use dashes when you want to emphasize a point, or when you need a break in the sentence that's stronger than a comma but not quite as final as a period. Next, let's talk about parentheses. Parentheses are used to add extra information or an aside to a sentence, something that's not essential to the main idea but still worth mentioning. For example, she finally found her keys after searching for an hour. Under the couch. The part in parentheses adds extra detail but isn't critical to the meaning of the sentence. Just be careful not to overuse parentheses. Too many side notes can make your writing feel cluttered. The ellipsis, those three little dots, can be a great tool for creating suspense, showing hesitation, or indicating that something is left unsaid. For example, I thought about it for a moment, and then I agreed. Here, the ellipsis creates a pause, adding suspense to what comes next. Ellipses can also show that part of a quotation is missing. For instance, he said, "It's a beautiful day. Let's make the most of it." Use ellipses to leave out unnecessary parts of a quote without changing the meaning. Now let's look at the hyphen, which is often confused with the dash. Hyphens are used to join words together, particularly in compound adjectives or compound nouns. For example, a well-known author, or 24 students. The hyphen helps clarify meaning, especially when two words together modify a noun. We often use double quotation marks for quoting speech, but single quotation marks have a special role. They're used inside a quote to show a quote within a quote. For example, she said, "I heard him shout 'stop' as the car sped away." The single quotes show the exact words spoken within the larger quote. And there you have it. Advanced punctuation to bring sophistication and clarity to your writing. Remember, punctuation isn't just about following rules. It's about making your writing more effective and engaging. Practice these techniques, and you'll see how much they can improve your writing style. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next video.